With technology advancing around us more and more every day, we tend to lose the human interaction that is so necessary to creating a strong work environment. Meetings bring this human interaction back into the equation and allows for a quick and effective collaboration and problem solving. In this video, we have mapped out the first set of blueprints to follow in order to conduct a productive meeting. The first step in planning for any meeting is preparation. The biggest factor when preparing for a meeting is knowing your audience. For example, you would prepare for a meeting with your own construction team in a different way than you would prepare for a pre-construction meeting with any owner of a project. A meeting with your own team would tend to be a little less formal than one with an owner. The next factor when preparing for a meeting is date and time. You want to make sure that you provide sufficient notice to all parties involved with the meeting of the date, time, location of the upcoming meetings so that there are no misunderstandings. Once establishing a date and a time, generate a rough list of topics to be discussed. This list will later be turned into a meeting agenda. Another step many take when preparing for a meeting is preparing a presentation. Presentations can help to keep the meeting organized and on track. They also provide a simple visual aid, which leads to my next topic. Visual aids are great to include in a meeting due to the fact that many people recall information better when they see it displayed in some unique form, such as pictures, charts, or graphs. For this reason, visual aids are a great idea to consider when preparing for a meeting, which leads me to my next topic, organization. Organization falls back on preparation. The best way to stay organized is to know your material. Don't wait until the night before the meeting to organize your thoughts and your notes. Adding to this point, make sure to address all topics that are in question. Know enough about the material to be able to answer any questions that may be thrown at you. Once in the meeting, the best way to stay organized is by following an agenda. By taking a rough list of discussion topics you generated in the preparation stages and cleaning it up and organizing it, you can create this agenda. Make sure to include a time slot and sections for meeting members to input or ask questions. Once the agenda is prepared, make sure that you print enough to hand out to all members in attendance of the meeting. The first example shows a simple agenda. It maps out exactly what is going to be talked about and provides a clear roadmap for the meeting. This agenda would be used in a more general, less formal setting. The second example is a little more complex. It not only provides topics to be discussed, but also provides some detail on each topic. This example would most likely be used in a more formal meeting. So in conclusion, the key holding successful point in the meetings lies in how well you can prepare and organize. So this will allow you to lead the meeting with a strong sense of confidence.